I got this 2.2 liter S10 I got last year and been trying to get running good since I've had it. It's got a P0171 code triggering for lean on bank 1, which it only has one bank. It's a 4-cylinder inline 4. So I don't smoke. I'm a health nut pretty much, but I'm going to sunk in some smoke for the sake of trying to figure this out. I gotta find something to try to maybe plug into this port here, because this sensor just slides out. Right, yeah, like that right there. That seems like a good spot to try to get something hooked into. We're gonna duct tape it on there or something, and we're gonna run some cigar smoke into here and try to figure out where the leak's at, since I don't want to purchase, wait for, or rent, if that's possible, one at the parts store. But let's see how it goes. Let's find out what's good about smoking and become chain smokers. Add, you know, nicotine and chimney smoking addicts. It don't taste too great. As you can tell, I got my little oil thing. It fit in there nice and snug. I can see it coming out, but I'm not over here, so I can't see it. Where's it coming out? I'm dying over here. Okay, I got plenty of smoke. I just need somebody to help me figure out where it's coming from, because I can't do both at once. It's coming out. It's not coming out strong enough for me to know what's going on. I think it's coming from there. Yeah. I think it's coming from my air intake, my intake manifold. Can I put this out?
Uh-huh. It's coming from there. Put it there so I can see. It's coming from there out, not this side. Yeah, here. Here, somewhere in here. Nothing there, somewhere in here. Somewhere in here and that side. Nothing in here. You put that one in there so I can see the smoke in here. It's here, coming out in here. Here. Yeah, it's here. This is where it's coming from. Here.
Exactly. You know the exact spot.
Yeah. This one here, it's the smoke is coming out from here.
Because I'm done smoking a cigar. It's nasty. I seen a little come out.
It's not coming out on that bolt, but it's coming out somewhere under.
It's not going to come out from the bolt. It's coming out from where it meets the engine right there.
It's somewhere in here that it's coming out. Somewhere in there. Hold on. Hold on.